Hello, my name is Chris Blewett of miGenius. With this movie we are using actual and real-time screen captures of two different sessions to show how amazingly powerful the new NVIDIA Fermi GPUs are and what can be done with just two standard GTX480 graphics cards in conjunction with mental images, reality server, platform technology and the incredible GPU-based iray renderer. Here you can easily see how interactive the navigating and viewing of these scenes can be. And because iray only uses accurate physical-based rendering, all output is entirely lifelike and photorealistic. The pixelation you will notice as the camera moves or some part of the scene changes is because the rendering of the scene is completely reprocessed every single time to ensure complete accuracy and quality of output. The only controls needed here are the controls for the camera itself. A system like this will allow anyone with an NVIDIA CUDA-enabled graphics card to easily install the developer version of the reality server application, freely available from the Mental Images website, and soon they'll be able to explore their own 3D models and scenes in real time, just as we are showing here. This applies to both consumers and small to medium businesses alike. You can see here how quickly and easily we can view even the smallest detail in any part of our scene, as the iray renderer accurately and rapidly reprocesses the camera view for every single pixel displayed. The combination of technologies shown here truly revolutionizes the production of 3D content. Not only is high-quality imagery now generated in a fraction of the time, but the time needed for the preparation of these scenes is also dramatically reduced, along with the elimination of the endless refinement and test rendering that inevitably goes with these tasks, resulting in a reduction of time, cost and effort to produce this output by a factor of 10. Furthermore, this output is instantly deployed via a standard web browser that can be shared with numerous other friends or colleagues, all in the same viewing session. And also, most importantly, the source data integrity and security of the underlying data set is always fully managed and maintained, as no component part of the scene or model needs to be transmitted to any other users. Only the images of the detail are transmitted. Here we are viewing actual screen captures of the scene from various still camera positions, where the processing has been left to converge on each occasion for around 5 minutes. I'm sure you'll agree that the image quality shown here is nothing short of stunning. In this next test scene, we show how furniture and lighting elements can be easily inserted and manipulated, again all in real time. We start off by inserting an industry standard light fitting, and as we watch the scene converge, we can clearly see the beam distribution of the light fitting. Now we select the light fitting, and we can visibly see as we move the light fitting throughout the space and even through the reprocessing pixelation, the real-time movement of the actual light beam distribution is clearly moving with the light fitting itself. Then we select a second light fitting, and again leave the scene to converge. And again move the light fitting, and you'll notice the beam moves with it. Here we can see the scene is becoming quite bright as the scene is left to process. We can easily adjust that by adjusting the f-stop on the camera. Now we insert other furniture elements, starting with a simple table. Now placing a two-seater chair. You will notice, of course, that every object appears with what we call a widget, and we can switch these widgets on and off at any time. But they do help to move, rotate, and position the objects or reposition as needed. And for a final object, placing a more substantial chair in the scene. And simply rotating the chair into the desired position. Switching the widgets off, we now allow the scene to converge, and shortly we'll create quite a high quality image of the scene. Now if the user wants to move on to larger scenes and faster interactive processing, or to bring together a larger number of other users, then there is an easy graduation available with the commercial version of Reality Server, combined with either a larger local GPU server system or even the cost-effective and easy-to-use GPU cloud computing resources now becoming available. And of course this session has been processed using two GTX480 cards. Obviously the same capabilities available on a single card. Thank you very much for watching this movie.